Okay, here we are back inside our blog. We're going to create a landing page, squeeze page. So we just go over here and click on WLP. Alright, and it tells you right here what to do. If you want to go to the tutorials, you can do that. I'm going to show you. It's really easy. Go over here and select templates, and then you have different templates to choose from. All of these are customizable. You can add the backgrounds, you can change the wordings, everything. I mean, it's easy. So let's go ahead and work with this one here where it's click on use this template. Let's work on this one here. And to create a page, we create a page and we'll call this one here cruises. Okay, and we're going to create the page. Alright, now we're going to customize our lead capture page, and all we have to do is select right here. When you click right here, see this? It comes up, this report now. So we can change this right here. Okay. Put in there something like top cruise specials. This is just illustration. You can do what you want to do. I don't get too crazy on all this stuff because people buy reality, and when you show them reality, you know, it just they tend to respond to it better. They love reality. Okay, free report reveals the 5. We'll put in there the 5 top cruise destinations with special pricing. Okay, and we'll save that. Okay, and then we want to go to the autoresponder code. Okay, so what you do is you grab your autoresponder code from your autoresponder where you make a form, just paste it right in there, put submit and save. Okay, and then you can customize the form after you have it back in here. It'll let you customize it. Alright, I hope this helps you in setting up a lead page. We'll see you in the next video. Let's move on.